Today we're looking at math lesson 15.2, compare fractions with the same denominator. Our I can statement is, I can compare fractions that are divided into an equal number of same-sized parts. Ulan and Hector both like to read. Ulan has finished 3/8 of her book. Hector has finished 5/8 of the same book. Who has read more of the book? So we are going to go ahead and divide these. And we know that our denominator is 8. So we're going to divide for both of them. So we're going to divide the bars into 8 pieces. And the easiest way to do that is to divide them in half. And then each of those halves in half. And then in half again for everything. So that we have 8 parts in each bar. Then we're going to shade. It says Ulan has finished 3/8 of her book. And Hector has finished 5/8. Okay, and the question here is, who has read more of the book? Who has read more of the book? Well, we need to look at the bar. They're the same, the whole is the same size. We divided them into 8 equal parts, and so we're going to say that Hector has read more of the book because Hector has read 5/8 of the book, and Ulan has only read 3/8. Go ahead and go to the next page. Both Rennie and Leah paint same-sized patios. They are divided into 6 equal sections. Rennie paints 3/6 of his patio floor orange. Leah paints 4/6 of her patio floor pink. Who paints less? Who paints less area? Okay, so the question they have here is, who paints less area? We know that Rennie painted 3/6 and Leah painted 4/6. How can we represent this? Well, we have to divide our patios into 6 parts. So I divide it in thirds and then divide across that and I have 6 parts. Or you can divide it in thirds this way and go across that. Or you could take your squares and divide them into 6 parts. I think that's a little harder to do. Then we're going to go back and we're going to shade. Rennie did 3/6 of his orange, and Leah did 4/6 of hers pink. And the question is, who paints less area? So who painted less area? Well, the one that has the least shading. So Rennie painted less area. How do I know? Less of Rennie's area is shaded. Now it says right. Less than, equal, or less than, greater than, or equal to. So we know that our denominators are the same, so we just need to look at these numerators of 2 and 4, and then we need to make our symbol go the right way. 3/6 is less than 4/6. Ellen's desk is 7/4 yards from the wall. Ethan's desk is 3/4 yards from the wall. So the first thing I'm going to do is go shade Ellen's desk. 7/4 or the distance it's away from the wall. And then Ethan's desk is 3/4 yard away from the wall. Okay, how can you show each distance using the fraction strips? That's up here. And the number line. So let's go ahead and write in the numbers on our number line. And we know it's 4, so 1/4, 2/4, and 3/4. 5, fourths, 6 fourths, 7 fourths. Okay, let's go ahead and put a dot for Rennie at, or Ellen at 7 fourths. This is Ellen. We're going to put an E up here for Ellen. And then Ethan is only 3 fourths. And we're going to put an E-T for Ethan. Maybe. E-T for Ethan. Whose desk is farther from the wall? And how do you know? Well, we know that 7 fourths is further from the 0 point on our number line, so it is greater than 3 fourths. So, whose desk? Ellen's desk. And then, how do we know? 7 fourths is farther from 0 on the number line. Then 3 fourths. Okay, go ahead and go to the step it out on page 407. Lynn uses 5/8 of a wooden board to make a roof for a treehouse. Raylette uses 7/8 of the same size board to make a chair. Let's underline this information. Let's get a color here so we can see. Lynn uses 5/8. Raylette uses 7/8 of the same size. Who uses more of the board? Show where Lynn and Raylette cut their boards. So Lynn has 5/8, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So he's going to cut their board there. And Raylette is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When equal size wholes are divided into the same number of equal parts, the denominators are the same. You can then look at the what? What is the top number in the fraction? You can then look at the numerators. To compare the number of parts being counted. Each whole board has how many equal parts? What's our denominator? It has 8 equal parts. Compare the numerator. Blank parts are more than. So Raylette's 7 parts are more than Lynn's 5 parts. 7 is greater than 5. So 7/8 is greater than 5/8. Who used more board? Whose board did we shade the most? Raylette. Oh. To compare fractions with the same denominator, how do the numerators tell you which fraction is greater? How do we know which fraction is greater if the denominators are the same? If the denominators are the same, the parts are the same, just like the board was divided into the same parts, size, so I can compare the number of parts counted in the numerator. If you're at home, go ahead, probably stop your video and get this written down. Okay, come back to your check your understanding. I want you to do the check your understanding and then come back and see if you did it correctly. Now it says draw a visual model, so don't forget to draw a visual model. Okay, so you can see my visual model. I divide my bars into fourths. I've shaded in 3/4 up there by the T for Tuesday and 2/4 for Wednesday. So we know that the question was on which day was there more rain? Tuesday. Okay. We're going to skip the back today. We're going to go ahead and look at this number 1. It's got quite a bit of writing and I want you to understand what it says. Math on the spot. Gary and Vanessa are comparing fractions. Vanessa models 2/4 and Gary models 1/4. Vanessa writes that 2/4 is less than 1/4. Look at Gary's model and Vanessa's model to describe their error. Well, first, let's look at their whole. Are Vanessa and Gary's whole the same up here? No, Vanessa's is smaller. So you can't compare like that if you're not comparing the same sizes. So you have to compare the same sizes. All right, so Vanessa and Gary are not comparing same sized holes. So these are the holes. And you can see Vanessa's is much smaller than Gary's. So 2/4 of the smaller hole are smaller than 1/4 of the larger hole. Go ahead and finish your homework.